Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechAns. So when I try to make a call, in every time my notification banner shows caller ID is active notification and this message is coming from Truecaller application, but most of them does not like this message. So if you feel same thing, just follow me friends. I show the steps to disable this notification. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your Android mobile settings and then locate apps category. So just click to open it. So now it shows my enter install applications, but in this section you can locate Truecaller application and then click to open it, and it shows this application related settings, but you can go to notification section. But in my device, this Truecaller related all notifications are enabled. So here you can locate caller ID active notification. So just scroll down. So finally I locate it. So just click to open this caller ID active permission. And then click to turn off this show notifications option. And this setting is the only reason for that kind of notification messages. So once you disable it, in future, if you make calls, it won't appear in your notification panel. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechAns, and thanks for watching.